Hi everyone. Today I want to take a look at Right Where I Belong. Now this is a brand new tool that's been released this Black Friday and it's an AI ebook generator. Now where this differs from many other ebook or story generators is that it's actually trained on the voice, style and expertise of hundreds of best-selling non-fiction authors. So actual real writers, real bestsellers. So it's actually trained on the voice, style and his expertise to move away from that samey sort of AI sounding book that you get if you ask ChatGPT or if you ask some other AI ebook writers. And even better is it delivers them in a format that is straight away ready to upload onto KDP. You get a doc file, you get a EPUB file, and you get the listing and keywords all done for you. Let me just show you how easy and how quick it is to use. And obviously you're not limited to just publishing on KDP with this. You can make ebooks to give away. So you can collect, as a lead magnet, so you can collect emails, you can sell them on Gumroad, on Etsy, loads of different options. But let's just jump in very quickly and show you how simple and how quick this is. So let's do a niche and topic. So publishing your first book on Amazon KDP. Vision, optional. Let's go for a step-by-step, hold your hand, beginners, can't spell but it's matter, guide to publishing your first book on KDP. We can add a tone and a theme. Got some ideas here. I'm going to leave that blank, hit generate outline. And then what this tool will do, based on your niche and your vision, and obviously your tone and theme, if you include them, it will create an outline of the book. So here we've got suggested KDP Launchpad, your step-by-step guide to publishing your first Amazon book. We have a legal disclaimer, which if you read is actually tailored to the niche. So as you can see here, it's put in here that it's not endorsed, affiliated with or sponsored by Amazon KDP or any other entity mentioned. So it's quite a cool feature is that it does do the legal disclaimer for whatever niche that you decide to go in. And if we scroll down here, we have our chapter outline. So it's gone here, we've got 10 chapters. So we've got understanding, before you upload, crafting your ebook, designing your cover, writing your blurb, keywords and categories, setting price and royalties, dashboard, creating a physical book, and post-launch essentials. So if you're happy with that, click approve and generate. If not, you can go back and edit, but let's just approve this one. You'll see how quick this process is. It says it may take 3 to 5 minutes, but in my experience, as you can see, it's already knocked off one chapter. It's pretty quick. And then whilst we're waiting for that to complete, I just want to show you one that it's already generated. So I got it to generate one on stress-free toilet training. So this is what it completely came up with. Its title, everything from potty panic to potty peace, your gentle guide to stress-free toilet training. Obviously we got the disclaimer here, and as you can see again, it's tailored it to this niche. The strategies, checklist, recommendations presented are based on general parenting principles and common practices. Every child and family situation is unique, etc. So again, it's brilliant. It tailors it for the niche that you want to go into. We have a clickable table of contents here. So you can click on there, it's pre-formatted. You can jump down to any chapter you want. And then let's just go right back up to start. And as you can see, we have a formatted ebook that's ready for publishing. Again, and I'm going to put the a link to these so you can download them yourself and you can read and you can see the style, because it's very hard for me to sort of read it out loud to you. I'm going to put a couple examples that you can download, and then you can see the style of the writing to assess if it's a good fit for you. As you can see, it's all formatted and it's all ready for uploading. So if we go back now, as you can see, it's finished. So here, all you have to do is you can download the Word, that's the file I just had, and the EPUB format, and the Amazon listing. As you can see here, it's wrote a listing, product description here, and it's even given me SEO keywords. So let's just download all of them, and then let's open up the ebook for you to have a quick look at. Sorry, my Word is a little bit slow, so I think my laptop is on the way out, but we'll get there. We'll get there very, very soon. Here we go. So again, we have our formatted book, our title page, our disclaimer, as I showed you earlier, that's sort of tailored to the niche, our clickable table of contents, and again, our chapters. So how much does it cost? Well, during Black Friday, you can get unlimited access. So you're not restricted to how many books you can create. You know, it's just limited to how much time you want to spend creating them. It's $50 per month. So it's a Black Friday special, and there's no contracts. So you can, if you want, you can do a month and then just cancel. It's completely up to you, or you can go for longer. But I do think you will find a lot of value in this tool, just how easy and simple it is to use. Again, I'm going to create a few more examples here. So the ones that you just saw, the potty practice, and this one I've just generated, the KDP one. I'm going to give you the links to these so you can check them out for yourself. And if you are interested, this offer is only around for Black Friday. So check out the link in the description. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.